And welcome back to Iconoclassic. Today we have a science show experiment today to do. Here we have an ultrasonic cleaner. Ultrasonic cleaner. In there's a Mercedes carburetor that needs to be cleaned out. So this is one method of cleaning out a carburetor or other things with small areas that are hard to reach. So, sorry. Here I have soap. I'm gonna put the soap in, mix it around a bit, about a cup of soap, a couple handfuls, I don't know, couple squirts, and we're gonna turn it on. Later on, hopefully, I'm gonna have my dad back here. He can explain the science behind it. This is my first time using one of these, and I'll be right back. Okay, we got a couple good squirts. Put that off to the side and mix it around a bit. Try to get it into some kind of solution. All right, sounds good. Now I'm gonna start it cranking. Let's do 10 minutes and I'm out. Okay, update. It's soapy. I hear the timer going, but I don't really see it doing anything yet. I don't know what I'm supposed to see. Like I said, I have never done this before. All right. What's going on? All right, so I have to film this now instead of earlier. It was too noisy. I was filming the machine working, the ultrasonic cleaner working, and it was way too noisy. None of the audio got picked up. So basically, the reason it wasn't doing anything, it was off. So I flipped the switch on the back. There's a switch on the back. You flip it, it runs. I'm going to include a few clips of the process. Maybe turn down the volume because it's really loud. Really loud. But it's really cool to watch how, the water got murkier and murkier. The ultrasonic waves bombard the water, basically, go through the water. And that stirs it up a bit, but a lot. And then the soap acts as a desurfactant, so it just, lifts it off. And it takes a while, so there's more to go, more to work on. Obviously this is after I stopped for the night, so, but yeah, you'll see that soon. So as you can see, water is really murky. Really doing its job. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Okay, it's been running for about 2 hours. It's off now, you can hear. Yeah, please read the instructions before using. That would have helped, I guess. Basically, there's a switch in the back, on, off, really loud, because it's ultrasonic. Imagine that. I looked it up, and because my dad told me to look it up, how this thing works, and basically, it's basically it's what you would expect, just ultrasonic waves, because it's an ultrasonic cleaner. These pass ultrasonic waves through the water and it just lifts the dirt off. And I think that's really awesome. Super sciencey. Blast the dirt off. And you can see the water is really murky. Good light. That's all that was on the carburetors. And the water's hot. So, yes. Got this cool French fryer basket. You just pop it out. and see what it looks like. So I'm gonna put this down and do just that.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, it's starting. We'll
Keep
give it a
going.
full day tomorrow.
Okay, wow. So it was pretty gritty, and
Oh,
it's still
yeah.
pretty gritty, but less so. Do we need to change the water? Or is it fine?
Maybe tomorrow. Yeah, I'm ready to call it. Too hot to touch right now.
Sounds good. All right. That's a wrap for that one.
To be continued.
Yeah, part 2 coming soon.
I
The
did
theaters
put the lid back on,
near
so-
you.
Okay.
And we're out.